Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Children, so what is going on now? Okay, you have come for the lesson. First, start with the warm up. Yes, nod your head. Yes, close your eyes. Now slowly open your eyes. How are you feeling, children? Relax. How are you feeling? Relax. Now sit straight. Fold your hands and you have to listen to teacher. Don't bend yourself. Sit erect, children. Yes. So children, today I have brought the concept of long and short. Children, you will use a long way or short way? No, long way when the road is good you can use, but yes, short way if the roads are not good we don't use it, correct? Now here in the long and short I have brought objects for you, children. Here, children, what is this? This is a rope. This is a rope. And what is this, children? Again a rope. But there is a difference. I have to extend this. This rope is so long and this rope is so short. Children, I have brought something for you. What is this, children? It's a satin ribbon, correct. Now, satin ribbon you use for so many things, children. But there is a difference. See, this satin ribbon is long and this satin ribbon is short, children. So today we are going to learn the concept of long and short. Children, this is your Max workbook. Okay, so from Max workbook I am going to take long and short concept. Children, look here. What is this? Where have you seen? Yes, we see this in jungle, then aquarium, then on the road, children, correct. This is a snake. This snake is very long. Yes, children, this snake is long. Long means, yes, the length is very long. Now, see, when you go to measure this snake, you have to take a tape. Will you measure it? No, snake is so dangerous. This snake is very long, children. Now, look at this. Who is she? She is a girl. And can you make out? The girl has a long hair. See, the girl is having a long hair. How many of you have long hair? Mama has? You should apply oil every day, children. Apply oil, wash it neatly. Yes. Twice a week you wash your hair. Definitely it will grow. Eat lots of food. You have to eat the food also. So this hair is long. What is this? Where have you seen? Who wears? Yes, boys wear. Yes, daddy wears. Then, correct, and uncle. Then, yes, children, when you go to offices and all, uncle man wears tie. You people also wear tie. You must be having shirt. Yes, boys, girls will wear? No, girls don't wear. Only boys wear. This is tie which is very long. The length of the tie is long, children. Yes, you must have seen this. Where have you seen? Oh, teacher uses it. You have at home also. What is it? It's a scale, ruler. What is the size of this? Big size, very long. You all have this at home. What is it? It's a curtain. And how is the curtain? What is the size of the curtain, children? It is long. When you go to measure it, it is very long. The curtain is measured in meters. Correct? Children should not touch this. It is dangerous. So what is it? Yes, this is a wire. Yes, we use wires in gadgets. Mixture, then laptop, then yes, for TV connection. So many things are there, correct? So this wire is long. The length of the wire is very, very long, children. Do not touch the wires. What? Guess it. Who wears? Girls. What is that? It's a long skirt, children, which the girls wear, your mama wears. They love it. It looks so nice. No, boys don't wear. This skirt is long, children. I can say the length of the skirt is long, and the long things we measure in meters. Yes, where have you seen this? Okay, you all use this. For what? Yes, paint. We paint the objects. We paint the wall also. Don't paint the wall, children. You have to paint on the paper. Then pictures. This paintbrush is long. Yes, your favorite. You all use this. What is it? It is a pencil, and pencil is long. When it's a new pencil, the size of the pencil is long, children. And you sharp it and then make it small. You all love to do that. Yes? Yes, children. Now, I spoke about all the long objects. Now, I'm going to talk about the short objects. Short means small, children. The length is very, very small. Now, look at this. Now, look here, children. I have a picture. Yes, she's a girl. But the girl is having a short hair. The girl is having a short hair. Can you make out? Look here. In the previous picture, I showed you a girl with a long hair. But in this picture, the girl has a short hair, children. Again, yes, tie. Your tie. Boys like to wear tie. But can you make out the difference, children? In the previous picture, I showed you a tie. But that tie was, yes, it was long. But this tie is short. Short means the length of the tie is little short, small. This is for you, children. Yes. I told you not to touch the wires. That wire was long. Here I am showing you the wire which is short, children. The length of the wire is short. See? Only till here. Only finished. The line is over. Again your paintbrush which you like. You paint the pictures. You remember pot and all you make and then paint it. With the yes, with the clay you make a pot and then you can paint also. Correct. Ruler. We have scale, ruler. In school you carry. Yes, in the classroom also we have. This is children small, correct, short in size. So this scale is short, small scale. You can also carry. No, it is not allowed in the school. Ah, girls are very happy, aren't you? Yes. This is a short skirt. Can I say that? I had showed you a long skirt, but this skirt is short in size. The measurement of the skirt is small. Yes. It's a curtain, window curtain. Now this window curtain is short in size. The length is short over. When you go to measure it, the size will be short. Whereas the previous curtain had a long size. Now, yes, what is this? Pencils. But there is a difference, children. Now look at this. This pencil is, yes, when you sharpen the pencil, what happens? Keep sharpening the pencils. It becomes small in size. That is short. This pencil's length is short. You have sharpened it and it has become small. And this pencil is long. The length of the pencil is long, children. Think. Birds are sitting on the branches. Then, yes, there are two birds sitting on branches. But what I want to say is, see this branch? I had to draw a long line. Let me measure this also. Over, finished. So, for completing this, I took a time. But for completing this one, I took less time. So, this one is short. The down one is short. But this upper one is long. The size of the branch is long. Yes, you are right, children. This is trouser. It's a pig. I can say trouser also. I can say pant also. It's a long pant. Yes. But this one is short. We wear it. Yes, at home you all are comfortable. And this, when Papa goes to office, wears long pant. You also wear long pant, children. Yes, on your birthday and other parties when you attend. Here there are two monkeys. What are they having in their hand? Children, they are having a branch, a small crib of a tree. It is broken one. They break it and they are playing with it. And this one is long, whereas this monkey has a short one. It's a creeper, I can say. It's a short creeper. And they are going to play with it. Now in this, there are two girls. I am showing you it together. Now in these two girls, this girl has a short hair? No, then long hair. She is having a long hair. But the girl in this is having a short hair. She is having a short hair. So this is long and this is short, children. Now here there are two ties. Yes. Can you tell me please? You help me out, children. The tie is long. The first one is long, whereas this one is short. The tie or number 2 is short. It's a paintbrush. Now the paintbrush is, this one is long and this one is short, children. So I am talking about long and short, the difference between the long and short objects. Yes, girls are playing. But what is that? They are playing with what, children? It's a ribbon. You all play gymnastic ribbon. During drill times, you use all this ribbon. It's a stick ribbon. Yes? Now, look here, children. She is having a long ribbon, whereas this girl is having a short ribbon. It is short, children. Yes, now, what is that? Oh, I see, it's a caterpillar. There are 2 caterpillars. The first one is long, big in size, and the second one is, children, short. This is mama caterpillar and this is baby caterpillar, and this is long scale and this one is short one. A scale, ruler, whatever you have at home, you can see. See, this is wooden one. Yes, it's a ruler, long ruler, and this is short one. Activity I brought for you. The activity which I have brought for you all is no written part. I am not going to give you any written work. What you have to do is, you are going to count and say long and short objects found in your house. You are going to, yes, you search. In cupboard you search. Everywhere in your house you look. And you are going to note down the long objects and short objects. You will count, then keep it in your mind, or either if you want, you write on a paper and you are going to say it. And now it's, yes, end of the session. So children, take care and practice the concepts long and short. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.